I hope you have seen the previous video. So right now we're continuing the same country and their capitals with their respective currency and primary languages. So let's start. Democratic Republic of Congo. Its capital is Kinshasa, and the currency is Congolese franc. And primary language is French. Then next comes Cyprus. Cyprus's capital is Nicosia, and their currency is euro. The primary languages are Greek and Turkish. Denmark is Copenhagen, and their currency is Danish krone. Primary language is Danish. Egypt is Cairo. Then Egypt's currency is Egyptian pound. And the primary language of um, Egypt is Arabic. Then Ethiopia's capital is Addis Ababa. The currency is birr, and the primary language of Ethiopia is Amharic. France is Paris. France currency is euro or CFP franc. The primary language of France is French. German is capital is Berlin, and then currency is euro, and primary language of Germany is German. Ghana. Ghana's capital is Accra, and the currency is Ghanaian cedi. The primary languages of Ghana is English. Greece. The next comes Greece. Greece capital is Athens, and then euro is a currency of Greece, as Greece is the European country. The primary language of Greece is Greek. India India capital is New Delhi. Currency is Indian rupees, and the primary language is Hindi and English. Indonesia's capital is Jakarta. Currency is rupiah, and primary language is Indonesian. Iran is Tehran. Currency is Toman, and primary language is Persian. Iraq is Baghdad. Capital is Baghdad. Currency is Iraqi dinar. Primary language is Arabic, Kurdish. Japan's capital is Tokyo, and currency is yen, and primary language is Japanese. Jordan is Amman, capital is Amman, and currency is Jordanian dinar. Arabic is the capital primary language of Jordan. Kazakhstan is Astana, currency is Tengi, and primary language is Kazakh or Russian. Kenya is capital is Nairobi. Kenya's capital is Nairobi. Currency is Kenyan shillings, and primary languages are Swahili and Swahili, Swahili, and English. Then next is Libya, Tripoli. Tripoli currency is Libyan dinar. Primary language is Arabic. Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Currency is ringgit, and primary language is Malay. Mali, Bamako is the capital of Mali, and currency is West African CFA franc. Primary language is French. Mauritius is Port Louis. Currency is Mauritian rupee. Primary language is English. Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar. Tobruk is the currency of Mongolia, and Mongolian is the primary language of Mongolia. Mexico is Mexico City, and currency is Mexican peso. The primary language is Spanish. Myanmar is Noipidao. Currency is Kyat. and primary language is Burmese. Nepal is Kathmandu. Nepalese rupee is the currency of Nepal and primary language is Nepali. New Zealand is Wellington. New Zealand dollar is the currency of New Zealand and English is the primary language of New Zealand. Norway Pyongyang currency is North Korean won. Korean is the primary language of North Korea. Then the next is Norway. Norway's capital is Oslo. The capital is Norwegian Krone. Primary language is Norwegian. Norwegian. Pakistan is Islamabad. Currency is Pakistani rupee, and the primary language is Urdu and English. Philippines is Manila. Is the capital of Philippines. Philippines peso is the currency of Philippines and the primary languages are Filipino and English. Poland, Warsaw is the capital. Zloty. Zloty is the currency of Poland and Polish is the primary language of Poland. Portugal is Lisbon. Lisbon. Euro is the currency of Portugal and Portuguese is the primary language of Portugal. Primary language of Portugal. Qatar is Doha. Doha's capital is Doha's currency is Qatari Riyal. And Arabic is the primary language of Qatar. Russia is Moscow and their currency is ruble and the Russian is the primary language of Russia. Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Saudi Riyal is currency of Saudi Arabia and primary language is Arabic. Singapore is Singapore capital. Singapore's capital is Singapore. Singapore's dollar is a currency and the primary languages are English, Malay, Mandarin Chinese. South Korea is Seoul. South Korean won and Korean is the primary language of South Korea. South Africa is the country with three capitals. First is Pretoria, second is Cape Town, and third is Bloemfontein. The currency of South Africa is rand, and the primary language is Zulu, Xhosa, and Afrikaans. Afrikaans. Sri Lanka's capital is Colombo, Sri Lankan rupee, and the capital is primary language is Sinhala and Tamil. Sudan is Khartoum, Khartoum. Their currency is Sudanese pound, and the primary language is Arabic, English. So, bye.